China as this year's host of Winter Olympic, inspiring the world to be optimistic amidst pandemic. Experts around the world have noted that China has once again proved its commitment and competence to face problems. They also voiced their optimism that the game held as planned and will inspire people all over the world to work together to overcome obstacles and create progress, since the major event completely embodies them-like unity, cooperation, peacemaking, and environmental protection. According to Batotok Osokabar, an education specialist with the Mongolian National Olympic Committee, the superb organization of the Beijing Winter Olympic opening ceremony has given the world hope that humanity can surpass the COVID-19 pandemic together. As Chinese President Xi Jinping declared the Beijing Winter Olympics open last February 4, 2022, Friday night, inviting the world back sort of for the pandemic-era second games, this time as an emboldened and more powerful nation. China used its first Olympic in 2008 to intensify its international aspirations, this time and ceremony held in the same lattice-encased bird nest stadium that hosted the inauguration event of the year's Summer Games. It's presented a more confident and defiant face to the world. A line of people dressed in costumes representing China's varied ethnicities passed the national flag to pull where it was raised, a show of unity the country often puts on as part of its narrative that its wide range of ethnic groups live together in peace and prosperity. The Olympic film delivered by athlete Tsai Hia-wen and Dinaher Hilimuhiang, with the flame lit, Beijing become the first city to host both Winter and Summer Games. And while some were staying away from the second pandemic Olympics in 6 months, many other world leaders attended the opening ceremony despite of the worldwide pandemic. This is Mark Mendoza reporting.